Good morning, class 11th students. Myself Arun Kumar Upadhyay. There is an important notice for you that bookshops have opened. You can buy your books and copies. Do your homework on fair copy. Today we shall study in chemistry some basic concepts of chemistry. In our previous video, we were discussed atomic mass unit and average atomic mass. In this video, we shall discuss about some more definitions. Atomic and molecular masses. First, gram atomic mass or gram atom. Gram atomic mass of an element may be defined as the quantity of an element whose mass in gram is numerically equal to its relative atomic mass or atomic mass. In other words, it is the atomic mass of an element expressed in grams. It is also called 1 gram atom. For example, atomic mass of nitrogen is equal to 14 unified mass. Gram atomic mass of nitrogen or 1 gram atom is equal to 14 gram. Similarly, atomic mass of oxygen is equal to 16 unified mass. Gram atomic mass of oxygen or 1 gram atom is equal to 16 gram. Second, molecular mass. Molecules are made up of atoms. Since the molecules are also quite small, just like atoms, the actual mass of a molecule cannot be determined. It is also expressed as the relative mass known as the average relative mass. Carbon-12 isotope is used to express the relative molecular masses of the substances in bracket elements or compounds bracket close. Molecular mass of a substance may be defined as the average relative mass of its molecules as compared to the mass of carbon atom in bracket carbon 12 bracket close taken as 12 unified mass. Calculation of molecular mass. The molecular mass of a substance can be calculated as the sum of the atomic masses of all the atoms which constitute a molecule of that substance. For example, molecular mass of CaCO3 is equal to atomic mass of calcium plus atomic mass of carbon plus 3 multiplied by atomic mass of oxygen is equal to 40 plus 12 plus 3 multiplied by 16 is equal to 100 unified mass. The molecular mass of a substance is also known as its molar mass. Third, gram molecular mass. Gram molecular mass of a substance may be defined as the quantity of a substance whose mass in gram is numerically equal to its relative molecular mass. In other words, it is the molecular mass of a substance expressed in grams. It is also called 1 gram molecule. For example, gram molecular mass of CaCO3 is equal to 100 gram. Gram molecular mass of HNO3 is equal to 63 gram. In general, moles of a substance is equal to mass in grams divided by gram molar mass. Now homework. Write and learn following question. Question 1. Define the following terms. A. Gram atomic mass. B. Molecular mass. The notice repeat again. Bookshops have opened. You can buy your books and copies. Do your homework on fair copy.